some of the streets are still pretty bad. Some of the neighborhoods still pretty bad.
Are you going down the one way? Yo!
I don't need nothing else. Every time I'm with you, yo, it's something else. It's a fact, and it's nothing else. Got your hand out, you don't even need the help. Ooh, I don't need nothing else. Every time I'm with you, yo, it's something else. It's a fact, and it's nothing else. Got your hand out, you don't even need the help. Ooh, that's right. I don't need nothing else. That's right.
Kingstream Entertainment.
So today I am in Omaha, Nebraska for a show at Peru State University, and it's snowing, and I'm from California, and we don't really do the snow like that. But thankfully, my buddy Aaron came to hang out with me to make sure we get to the show safely in the snow, get a workout in before. So we're gonna go get some food right now, see how bad this snow life is in Nebraska. It's supposed to be like 20 degrees out, a lot of snowfall today, and they're acting like it's normal. I'm acting like it's the apocalypse, and they're like, oh, it's just snow. I drove here.
It's not that bad. It's really not that bad.
You go see the gym at 1. Let's see if we're gonna go to the YMCA or not. This gym's pretty cool. It's a little limited. You been working out?
Yeah, I've been getting it.
Hesitation there. Hesitation with the response. Yeah, that was fun. So this that Midwest winter life, huh? Right here. Goodness. Wow, my man's is wearing shorts. God bless you, bro.
I didn't bring any pants. Sucks.
That's how you do it, man.
He must be from California too. He always likes snowing. This is insane. Goodness.
Hey man, you know what I should do today is take you sledding.
No, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I don't like snow. Is this you right here?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of like snow like that. It's beautiful though. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be tired of this in a few minutes here. So how often do they have people come and clean all the snow up?
So right now, they got people out 24/7.
It's 24/7. Someone's just driving around cleaning up all the snow.
Yep.
Wow.
Because it got actually pretty bad. Because just last week, you know, we had another snowstorm.
Right.
And they weren't able to get it cleaned up in time. They don't have enough vehicles.
Oh jeez.
So
stuff shuts down.
Something to say because some of the streets are still pretty bad. Some of the neighborhoods still pretty bad.
Are you going down the one way? Yo! You about to get us killed. Yeah. What's up, man? Wow. I got a show today in Peru State.
It's crazy.
What's your name?
Oh, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah. That's
Yeah.
my buddy Aaron got his debit card stuck in there.
What? Yeah, were you here yesterday?
I flew in yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah.
I flew in yesterday.
It was like negative yesterday.
Yeah, I think I just missed that, and then I caught the snow.
This is like a warm day compared to yesterday.
It's a warm day?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah. So y'all at Peru State tonight?
Yeah. What is he doing, man?
Don't even ask, man.
Your car got stuck?
Car's stuck.
Oh no.
You follow Aaron?
Yeah.
Hey Aaron, how's it going? Not too bad. You got a card stuck in here, huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, sometimes what they get so plastic screws, man.
Wow, you got it out one try?
Yeah. But there's some little plastic things I was meant to catch it.
Really got us covered.
I love it. I love it. Thank you, Philip.
No problem, guys. If I can help you out, let me know.
Alright, so I have smashed through my meal here at Coppa Cafe in Omaha. What do you think, bro?
I really enjoy it. I'm glad you found the spot last time, not gonna lie.
Boom. Listen, you trying to get gains, you gotta eat like a man. And that's no disrespect to ladies, but you gotta eat some food, man. You gotta get some protein in you. Look what we got here. We ain't even keto and we got the protein and fat.
Hey, if you're trying to get some gains, you know, you do have to eat. Plain and simple, you gotta eat.
All right, guys, so lunch was amazing. We made some new friends.
Holy D.
Yeah. Christian hip hop and Christian music fans from back in the day.
Oh yeah.
Super cool.
John Rubin.
Oh! So me and Aaron gonna get back to the hotel, get this workout, get these gains, baby. New pre-workout gummy worm flavor. You guys know I love my gummy worm. So this is an exercise I learned actually from watching Jeff Cavalier, Athlete X. I love doing this exercise on my push days that I'm not trying to overemphasize chest on. And it's overhead shoulder press into a squat. I go for about at least 12 reps here. And the great part about this is you're working your shoulders and you're just getting you get your heart rate up real fast. So, funny story, me and Aaron actually met at the airport. I was getting off, he noticed me, he said, "Ain't you Ruslan?" I said, "Yeah." I complimented him on the shoes. He said, "These are training powerlifting shoes." I said, "Oh, you lift, bro?" He said, "I lift, bro." Pulled up the next day, we got a workout in. We've been buds ever since. That's just how life works sometimes. All right, just finished working out with Aaron. Got a nice quick little push day in with some shoulders and back. Now it is time to get ready to go to the show. And hopefully there's no crazy snow on the road. He's an expert though. Oh.
Shout out to Ruslan for the fitness motivation. I mean, it really doesn't get much better than that.
If I can be in good shape, you can be in good shape. I'm not one of those guys that's naturally strong at all, but be surprised how much you could do in a year to your body. We are now headed to the show in Peru, Peru State University, which is like hour and 5 minutes from here. It's 4:15, I gotta be there at 5:30. There's snow, but I think we're gonna make it. You think we're gonna make it?
Lord willing, we'll make it, man.
You're the experienced snow driver.
I'm the driver. We'll see if it's still snowing outside.
Well, the snow stopped, right? It's not snowing as bad, it's kind of sprinkling.
Yeah, it's kind of misty.
So I'm with it. I'm so careful around this snow and ice, guys. Made it to Peru State. Aaron drove like a maniac. No, he didn't. He drove very safely. The cool part about these shows, these college shows, is you never know who can show up and how many people can show up. So we could have like 5 people here and it'd be super lit, or we could have like 100 people here and it'd be more lit.
We are going to go ahead and get started. All right. So Ruslan is from San Diego. We saw him at NACA. He does spoken word, hip hop, and he raps as well. He does inspirational presentations about all of this stuff. So we are excited to have him here today. So let's give it up for Ruslan.
Shooting each other over colors, yet they colorblind, they got beef. Babies having babies, grandmothers in their early 30s. These dudes go to juvie, graduate, get their GED early, and have nothing constructive to do but hang on the block and slang on the block and bang on the block. I'm like, geez, don't you guys get bored? It's simple. The big idea of everything I said today is that I want you guys to walk away feeling encouraged, empowered, inspired, that you can actually do the things you put your mind to. That we live in the most advanced technological time. There's more information. If you want to make money, you can make money. If you want to get shredded, you can get shredded. If you want to be happy and grow in relationships, you can do that. Because there's a lot of information out there right now. It's just getting the right information and applying it. How was the show today, Peru State?
Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. We stayed after the show and chit-chatted. Say hi.
Hi.
Whew, what a day. How you feel, man?
Ruslan killed it, as usual. He built some connections. He encouraged people. And I just appreciated being there. Simple as that.
You have the gift of encouragement. You know that? Got a good gift, man.
I appreciate you, man. What you bring to the people is inspiration, joy, and you just give off a good vibe.
Amen. Well, thank you for chauffeuring me around in Nebraska.
Yeah, man.
I've been up for a minute, now I'm down for it. I've been good with the team, never bad for it. I'ma work for the winner, never slack for it. And I live for the king, I got a crown for it. I know the way, ayy, know the way. He really is the way, he the way, ayy. You can follow me, ayy, I know the way.